What do you mean?
Homework, I did that on class, teacher.
Yeah.
I did that on class.
Yeah, actually it was easy, teacher, so we didn't even need to have homework.
Yeah.
Yes, I didn't say that the homework, but I'm saying, did you finish them?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's easy for you guys, but it's hard for me because I don't understand.
F is 100, G is 1000, and H is 100.
Yasin, okay, Yasin. I have said to you, don't give all the answers. Okay.
Oh, I mean.
Know that
sorry.
you know the math, but please, okay?
Can I do it?
Sorry.
Can I do the F?
Okay.
It's 100.
100. Why? Because
Because
we're gonna
there's those two
listen
spaces.
here. Because look,
2 spaces.
yeah, here we have 523, but here we have 5.23. So as you see, if the point is at the end, it has moved 1 and 2 places. So it means that we are dividing the number with 100. So
Why was this in a blue?
0.23. What about here, Gente?
That one. We move also 2 places to the left. That means it's 100.
Look, I will move 2 places, 1, 2,
Oh, sorry.
so it is,
So it is 1,000.
yes, it is 3 places. So I will write here,
Teacher, yesterday you told us that if there's a 0 at the end, that doesn't count.
but it is if you have decimal point, I said. Remember,
This is a plan.
if you have decimal point, the zeros doesn't count, but if you have a normal number, of course, counts. So here, Marigona will do H. Yes, Marigona? No
Yes, teacher.
talk, Marigona will do the H. So how many places it has moved? Look, the decimal point is at the end.
Yeah.
And what is the number here that we need to divide this one?
10.
Ronnie says 10.
1,000.
1,000. Says 1,000. What you say, Marigona?
That's the problem, teacher. No.
Marigona, you don't want Marigona. All the time you're doing like this. Okay.
I'm trying.
So 1, 2, and 1 more.
But it's not that hard.
3. So 50 divided by 1,000 will make it 0.05.
Teacher, it's not that hard.
Yeah, they're
Teacher,
pretty
but
easy.
Teacher, why at the result there's no 0 at the end?
Because it's
What we
divided.
said 2 seconds ago, if we have decimal point, the zeros at the end doesn't
Disappear.
in decimal numbers.
Yeah, but decimal point, we have decimal point here too. I actually don't understand.
Does somebody have these problems? Like sometimes you can't talk.
5 million times, but
You're muted, but you can't talk.
yeah.
I'm continuing.
Okay.
Here we have numbers, but we don't have the operation between them.
Oh, okay, I understand.
Well.
What will be, for example, if you have 5.2 and 10 here, do you have a division or a multiplication?
Division.
That's
We're
division.
going to the left.
Because
Going to the wall.
okay, Yasin. Because the decimal point is moving backwards 1 place. So we have 5.2 divided by 10 is equal to 0.5.
Teacher, shall we
Yes,
write them on the notebook?
yes,
Okay.
yes. And in B, Era
Suleimani.
Sami is here.
Oh, may I?
Yes, teacher.
Era, we cannot hear you.
I don't know why this week. Yeah, I'm here.
Teacher,
I can hear you,
her,
but
her
your
voice
volume is
really
so like
low.
low. I can't hear you very well.
Same.
Okay, Era Suleimani, yes.
It's gonna be multiplying.
Multiplying, why the decimal point moves forward
Yeah.
places. So
Yeah.
0.85 times 100 will be 85. Donny, in C,
It's multiplication.
but Donny has to do it. We have 451 and we are multiplying or dividing with 100 and it becomes 451. So you have multiplication or division here. Who is watching something else right now?
I don't know.
Oh, teacher, it's cold in this classroom.
Why you are in the school?
Is it division?
Division.
My mom is going to apply
Division.
for something. My
Division.
sister has to go.
Okay, Donny. Oh, okay, I see. Thank you. So here, 2 zeros and the decimal point moves 2 places. 1, 2. Then it means that you have a division here. What about D, Ronnie? We have 1,000, we have 0.02 and the result becomes 20. Ronnie?
Yeah. Yes.
What is the operation here?
What do you mean?
So what we need to have here, multiplication or division to make it 20. 1,000 times 0.02 or 1,000 divided by 0.02 will make it 20.
1,000 divided, multiplied.
Multiplied will be better. Why? Because
Yes.
if you multiply, the decimal point will move to forward 1, 2, 3, and it will become 20.
Yep.
While you're writing, let me take the attendance.
I am here. Oh,
Where are you? I am here.
I am here.
Who are you?
I do not know. I'm a human being, I think, maybe.
Maybe. I'm not really sure about Yasin being a human being.
Okay, write them in your notebook.
I wrote them, teacher.
Okay, thank you.
And then I'll write them.
This is the second lesson.
Yes, I think. Yeah.
Yeah,
But do we have a third lesson? I'm here.
and Edin,
Yeah.
Inti,
Here.
Donny,
Here.
Ronnie,
Here.
Arigona,
Here.
We have Macedonian
Lisa.
after this.
Here.
Era Sami,
Here, teacher. Here.
okay, Granite,
Is he here? No, like, did he join?
I see.
Granite.
I'm here too, teacher.
saw him join. Granit, are you here?
He is here, but he is muted.
Yeah. Here.
Okay,
Teacher, I'm here.
Yeah, amazing.
Granit is here. Eras
I'm
is here. Elliot?
Yes, I'm here.
You're here. Okay, Elliot. Now let's see what we have. Next, calculating with decimals. Here, till now, we did division and multiplication with, if we are dividing and multiplying with 100, if we have different numbers, what we'll do?
So teacher, we are done with
sleep.
roundings.
We will eat, we will breathe.
Teacher, are we done with roundings? So we start
we are done with it.
Okay.
Teacher,
Yes. Yes, teacher.
nothing.
So this one is on page 77, as you see.
Yeah.
We are
Yes.
multiplying decimals. We studied this one.
Yes.
We studied this one, I think, last year, if you will remember. Here today,
Yeah, but this year we had.
again, we'll repeat something, okay? So multiplying decimals,
Okay.
and write this one, okay? Write the,
What page?
can you see?
Which one, teacher, should we
77.
write? Teacher, what should we write?
77.
I cannot finish my sentences. Wait, Marigona, I will explain which one you need to write. And Yasin, can you see the screen that I have shared?
Yes.
It's written page there.
Okay.
Okay. And now, Marigona, you can write these part steps, multiplying
Okay.
decimals. Okay. Steps for multiplying decimal. First step, write the problem vertically. This one is how you want, okay? Vertically or the normal. Second step, ignore the decimal point. This is important. We'll ignore the decimal point and we'll multiply like the normal numbers. Then the first step is here, determine where the decimal point goes in the product. How we are placing the decimal point? Point in the answer by counting how many places the decimal point has moved. How it will be. For example, here I have 3 times 0.6. I'm ignoring, I didn't write vertical, I'm writing the normally. I'm ignoring the decimal point. How it will be? It means that I will multiply
3 times 6.
6. If I will ignore the decimal point, the zeros in front of it, we are not counting. So what is 3 times 6?
It's too hard, teacher.
Okay, is
18.
18. So how I will place the decimal point, I will check how many numbers I have after the decimal point. How many numbers I have after the decimal point?
2.
One number I have after the decimal point. So I will move. Here the decimal point is at the end. I will move one place. I will come back and then the result will be 1.8.
Yeah. Okay. So teacher, here at the steps, which one shall we write except for the three ones?
The steps, right, only the steps.
Okay.
The steps and then the example.
I'm gonna write the steps.
Okay.
Teacher, can I go get some tissues?
Okay.
Yes, when did you send us a picture?
We are literally in the lesson, Yessie.
I send you the picture of this.
Well, yeah, we have it.
Just making sure.
It's okay?
No, teacher. Wait.
Finish writing?
Teacher, I'm on step 3.
Okay.
Shall we write the example that is given?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Genti, are you writing?
What, teacher?
Are you writing, Genti?
Yes, almost done.
Okay. Doni, are you
Done.
writing?
Teacher, should we write the pink word, place the decimal point in the answer?
No, 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 no.
Okay.
Done.
Okay, teacher.
Product.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now there is a video I will show you.
I'm done.
Decimals you must scoop.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Yes, but why is it a song?
Yeah, it's singing.
When you're multiplying decimals, you must scoop. When you're multiplying decimals, you must scoop. Yes, well, first you ignore the decimal, multiply like normal, then you scoop and move your decimal places too. Yes, well, first you ignore the decimal, multiply like normal, then you scoop and move your decimal places too. When you're multiplying decimals, you must scoop. When you're multiplying decimals, you must scoop. Yes, well, first you ignore the decimal, multiply like normal, then you scoop and move your decimal places too.
So look here too. In the first example, you had only one decimal number, one whole number. But in the second example, you have decimal numbers. What we are doing here.
Yes, well, first you ignore the decimal, multiply like normal, then you scoop and move your decimal.
Oh.
The first number, in the first number here we have one decimal, one number after the decimal point, and in the second one number after the decimal point. So at the end, in the result, we will move 2 places and you will put the decimal
places
V-N.
Now, how many
I got to be honest, that was kind of weird, but okay.
how many minutes do we have?
We have 4 more minutes, teacher.
Yeah.
4?
Yeah.
Okay, what's that funny?
Teacher.
Huh?
Yes, it thinks it's weird, the video.
Oh, yes.
Teacher, I
Yeah.
didn't understand a thing from the video.
What confused me was it was slow motion a bit. But I understood it. That's a good thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
It was
Yasin,
understandable.
I will do this one.
That one. We do it.
Teacher,
Eight
what
times
do you
12.
mean by give a scoop? I really didn't understand that.
Scoop is like to move the point.
Yeah, I mean, I know that, but like,
What?
Okay, I'm waiting you, Yasin, to solve the question.
I told you 8 times 12.
You told me.
Yes, I told you 8 times 12.
When you said, I didn't hear. 8 times 12, yes.
8 times 2 is 16.
Okay.
Next one in mine. 8 times 1, 8. 1 in mine, 9. 96.
96.
And we scoop the decimal between 9
How
and 6.
many? How many scoops I will do?
2.
1.
2.
1.
Why 1?
Why
One
1?
decimal.
Huh?
Teacher, why 1?
Okay, I'm asking you why 2? Why 1?
2 because the decimal point is there, so 1, 2.
But if you do that, it's 96. It's the decimal point is at the back. It's not where it is.
Okay, the decimal point is here, and why I will move 1 place, Yasin?
Because there's only one decimal point.
Always you have only 1 decimal point in every number.
Yeah.
How many numbers we have after decimal point? That's
Oh, yeah. We have 2.
So it's not that funny to, I mean, you need to look what I am sharing with you.
Yes, but teacher, I cannot, explain
No.
why I did. I know.
1, 2. So we need to move 2 places, and the result will be 8 times 0.12 would be 0.96. Yes?
Yes. Yes. So 4 more to make a whole number.
Now here we have 12.3 times 7. I will ignore the decimal point. And then 3 times 7, 21. 1, I'm writing 2 in mind. 2 times 7, 14. And 2 in mind, 16. 1 in mind. 1 times 7, 7. And 1 in mind, 8. Now here, as you see, I have a number after the decimal point. So it means that I will move
1 place.
place. So
I think I get this.
3 times 7 will be, if I will move 1 place, 86.1. Okay? Are we clear?
Okay.
No,
Teacher,
we're
wait, let me
not.
write it.
After the decimal, how many numbers there are?
Yes,
we
after
need
the
to-
decimal,
Can I try and do one?
but I think the lesson finished.
Wait,
Yeah,
teacher, let me
we-
just
we can-
finish this.
Yes, teacher.
Let me check
7.
next page dividing, okay? It's enough, this one for today. Next lesson.
Multiplying is easier than dividing decimals for me.
Have a nice day, teacher.
Wait, teacher, wait. I'm still not done, teacher. Wait, teacher, I'm at the last
Bye.
one. Just a second.
Can I leave?